Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be sharing with you all how I make this delicious mouth-watering seafood okra soup. It tastes so good, it tastes so delicious, it tastes so yummy. Keep watching guys, let me take you along. Let me show you guys how I prepare this easy and simple mouth watering soup. Okay, open your mouth, open your mouth, open your mouth. Yummy. Okay guys, let's go cook this food. Let me show you guys how I make this food. This is the fish I will be using for this soup. You can use tilapia fish, you can use any other fish of your choice. I also have some shrimps that I will be using also, because today we are going to be cooking seafood soup. Okay, then I'm going to be using dry fish, stock fish. Then I have my okra. I've already washed and cut the okra. Also I have bell peppers, onions and habanero peppers. I'm going to be blending that together. Then I have my crabs. Then I have my dry crayfish, no seasoning, beef seasoning and salt. Then I have my palm oil. I will be using palm oil for this soup also. Then I have also my spinach. Okay, I'm going to be adding some spinach to this soup. Next step, I'm going to be adding some palm oil into a clean pot. I will allow the oil to heat up a little bit. I'm not going to bleach the oil. I'm just going to allow it to heat up a little bit. Then I'll add in my diced onions. Then I will stir fry that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to fry that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then after frying it, then I'm going to add in my blended peppers. Okay, my blended bell pepper, habanero pepper, onions and crayfish. I'm just going to add that together. Then I have my ginger. Okay, I'm adding in my ginger also. I'll give it a quick stir. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes later. I'll stir it up a little bit. Then after stirring it up a little bit, I'm going to add in my dry fish and stock fish. Okay, because those the fish and dry and stock fish, they are very strong. I'm just going to allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to share with Love TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Please like also and follow my page from my Facebook page. I appreciate you all. Okay, now I'm going to add in my shrimps. Okay, I've already washed the shrimps and crab and my fish off camera. Okay, I make sure they are washed thoroughly. I'll stir it up a little bit. Then I'm going to add in my fish also. Okay, I've already washed my fish also. I've already washed my fish off camera. I'm just going to add the fish to it. After adding all the fish, I'll go ahead and add in my seasoning. I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of nut seasoning, then 1 teaspoon of beef seasoning. Then I'm going to be adding also 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add water. Then I'll cover it, allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is roughly 15 minutes later because I want that fish to be well cooked. Okay guys, after taking out the fish, what I'll do next is for me to add in my okra. Then I'll mix it properly. Okay, that is the reason why I took out the fish for the first place, because I want to mix the okra properly. Because if I should leave the fish inside the a pot and mix it like this, the fish, they will break. Okay, for me to prevent the fish from breaking, I have to take out the fish before I add my okra so that I can be able to mix this very well. Then after mixing it properly, I will add the fish again to the soup. Okay, after I am done adding all the fish back to the soup, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in my spinach. Okay, this is the frozen spinach that I have in the freezer. What I did, I defroze the spinach. If you have fresh one, you can go ahead and just add it to it. I'm just going to add the spinach, then I'll set a little bit. Okay, by this time the soup is almost ready guys. I'll just give it a quick stir because I don't like my okra to be too done. I like my okra crunchy a little bit. Okay, when I'm eating my okra, I like to hear that crunchy sound. I'm just going to stir it up a little bit, then I will allow this to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then our okra is going to be ready, and we are ready to eat. While the food was cooking, I went ahead and prepared my fufu. Okay, now what I did, I just had a little bit of salt and no seasoning, because when I tasted it, it needed a little bit of no and salt. I cover it up, allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then this is about roughly 7 minutes later. Look at our soup guys. This food was so good. Oh man, it was so yummy, it was so delicious guys. Thank you so much everyone for supporting your girl. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I post a video. To all my returning subscribers that always come back to watch my videos, I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. I really appreciate every one of you. May God bless you all, may God bless you all. Now it's time to serve. Okay, look at the crab. And also the fish, guys. This fish is so good. It's so yummy. I love this fish. It tastes so good, guys. Now it's time to taste. It's time to eat. I know you guys are hungry, okay? I'm gonna post your home, guys. I'll post your home. Don't worry, wherever you are, just wait. I'll post your one, okay? Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate every one of you. Please, if you are watching this from Facebook page, please don't forget to like and follow my page also. I appreciate every one of you. I love you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Thumbs up is very good, okay? If you watch a video, thumbs it up so that YouTube will recommend my videos, okay? I appreciate every one of you. I love you guys. Bye bye. See you all in my next one. Bye bye.